Hi everyone, it's Laura again from the Senior Center. So today we're going to be going through the healthy dark chocolate recipe. So again, in the box that you received, it has all of the ingredients. Okay, so we have the unsweetened cocoa powder, and the coconut oil. I don't know if you guys have noticed in the grocery store, I just noticed it recently. This is what it looks like. So the ingredients call for 1 cup of melted coconut oil. So we put it in a plastic cup for you. And what I'm gonna do right now and what you should do at home is one of two things. Either empty it in a container, in a microwave safe container, or put it in a little pan on the stove and melt it on low heat, okay? Once it's melted, then you will take your 1 cup measuring, pour it in, and it will go into the bowl, okay? So right now, I'm going to melt it. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with the melted coconut oil. So you're gonna take your 1 cup measuring cup, you're gonna pour it in. Perfect. You're gonna put that right in the bowl, okay? Now, I've been hearing a lot too that coconut oil has a lot more health benefits than like regular vegetable or canola oil. It's healthier for you. So I may start using that. Now what we have is our unsweetened cocoa powder, okay? Again, we over measured. So you're gonna open up the bag and pour into your 1 cup measuring cup of the cocoa powder. Okay? And you put that in the bowl as well. And here's another example of how much we over poured. So you really got to measure, okay? In addition to that, you're going to need 1 cup of maple syrup. Now, this is where it gets a little bit tricky. The little containers of maple syrup have to be room temperature, not cold, because it will separate, okay? So these are all at room temperature. We're just gonna go ahead and open these. Everything, you really only need 1 measuring cup. Everything is a cup. So we have the 1 cup of the melted coconut oil, the 1 cup of the unsweetened cocoa powder, and now 1 cup of the maple syrup, okay? So we gave you 6 containers of the maple syrup because we figured, you know, we did the math and figured that that was the appropriate amount. You'll probably have a little bit left over. It's not exactly all 6, it's less than, but just open them up and put them right in your measuring cup until it's full. Here we go. So that's 3. I think it takes about 5 of them. But maybe it will take 6. We're going to find out soon enough. I think it's going to take exactly all 6. You're going to use all 6. You're going to use all 6. Okay? So again, we're going to dump this in the container. So it's got in the container, we have the coconut oil, we have the unsweetened cocoa powder, the maple syrup. I'm just going to get something to mix that with. Okay, we want to get all of that goodness out and into the bowl. And then just literally mix everything. Mix everything together. You could use a whisk. You could use a spoon. I'm using a rubber spatula just to kind of make sure everything gets incorporated. And, you know, it's going to be very liquidy. So what you're going to do is once everything is really incorporated well in the container, we're going to put it in the fridge. We're going to put it in the fridge and let it thicken up. And then once it's thickened up, you'll be able to make truffles or, you know, shape them in any way that you would like. Excuse me. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in the fridge, and I'll be right back with you. Here we go. So at this point, when everything is mixing in the bowl, is when you could get creative and add some things that you enjoy. So let's say coconut or almonds or chocolate chips or any type of nuts that you like. You would put it in now, just mix them in, and then throw them in the fridge. Okay, and then let them refrigerate. Let me just double check the recipe here. Okay, it just says chill. You could chill it and roll it into truffles. You can also dip fruits in it. It's delicious. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in the fridge, and I'll get back to you when it's done. See ya. Hi everyone, we're back. So this is the final product of the healthy dark chocolate, okay? So I left it in the fridge overnight. You don't have to do that. I would say a couple of hours, check on it. It's literally gonna go from a liquid to a pliable chocolate. And you know, once it's in this state, you can use a melon baller. I have a melon baller here. You could just use a spoon. You can make whatever sizes you want. I'm just gonna pick some out with the melon baller here. Kind of like ice cream. You know, when you're scooping ice cream, you want to fill it up and just take it out. Roll it in your hands. Like I said, whatever size you want. There's no wrong or right way. If you notice, they're round, okay? And this is where you could get really creative. I have some powdered sugar here. I have some unsweetened cocoa powder. So you're gonna have leftover from the box that we measured. I have some sprinkles, but this would be a great time to pull out some coconut. You could roll it in coconut. You could use chopped nuts. I mean, it's limitless what you could do. So I'm gonna roll this particular one in some powdered sugar. And then in the box, we also gave you the little cupcake holders. So this would be a great time to pull those out. This is what it's gonna look like with the powdered sugar on it, okay? And you could also do any number of things. You could do multiple things. You could put them in sprinkles and then roll it in coconut. You can put it in the chopped nuts and then roll it in confectionery sugar. There's no wrong way to do it, okay? So again, got a little ball. I'm gonna put this one in the unsweetened cocoa powder. Just roll it around, get it coated. There you go. And then I'm gonna do the last one with the sprinkles. But you know, this is something that you could do ahead of time if you're having a dinner party or you're having people over your house to impress them with dessert. You know, if you don't wanna do a big dessert cake or something like that, or pie, that's kind of labor intensive. This is something that's so easy. There's not many ingredients at all. Look how pretty that looks. And you can make them in advance, throw them in the fridge, and babysitting the grandchildren, this is perfect. Look Look at how beautiful those look. Let's see, can you see that? Yep. And there it goes. I'm going to try one because they smell amazing. They look amazing too. Oh my God. Really, really good. And I usually don't like dark chocolate. Outstanding. Listen, good luck. I'm sure it's going to taste great. And thank you for watching.